Hello students, good morning. How are you all today? I hope you are doing great because we are working very hard for you all. My name is Sabah Shaheen and of course you are familiar to me that I am your biology teacher. Welcome you all again in this beautiful amazing class. Today I will continue biology of class 9th lesson number 1 fundamental unit of life cell, where will be discuss about cytoplasm, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum and powerhouse of the cell, that is mitochondria. Let's start the class. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance or fluid in which organelles are floating. It is mainly composed of water, salts and proteins. Okay. Now here comes the brain of the cell, everyone, that is nucleus. And you can see this diagram also. Okay students. Nucleus has the main function. It controls all the metabolic activities of the cell and it also helps in transmission of hereditary characters from parents to their offspring. Students, here you can see this. A nucleus has double membrane which is called as nuclear envelope. Okay, and it has small pores on it which is called as nuclear pore, okay, which helps in transfer of the molecules in and out. Inside the nucleus we can see this nucleolus, which is the site of RNA synthesis and ribosomes synthesis, which helps in the protein synthesis. Can you see this diagram, students? Nuclear envelope attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, okay. And now next we have endoplasmic reticulum, the organelle that makes lipids and other substance and packages protein for Golgi complexes, okay. And it is attached to the nuclear envelope and to the plasma membrane. On the basis of presence or absence of ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum are of two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now firstly we will talk about the rough endoplasmic reticulum. They have ribosomes on them, that's why their structure are rough in appearance. It is the site of protein synthesis. Next we have smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They do not have ribosomes, that's why these are smooth in structure and it is the site of lipid synthesis. Understand all of you? Apart from it we have mitochondria, right? Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. They have their own DNA and ribosomes. They do not depend on other organelles to help them out, okay. The organelles that breaks down food molecules to make ATP, okay. Students, do you know what are the full form of ATP? A, adenosine, T, tri, P, phosphate. So ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. Here you can see the diagram of the mitochondria, which is double layer membranous structure, outer membrane and inner membrane. Here you can see this inner membrane is folded inside and form a finger like projection which is called as cristae, okay. On cristae there are FN particles are present where the food are synthesized, okay. Students, have you studied before that the aerobic respiration takes place in the mitochondria? Okay, now inside the inner membrane there is a matrix are present. You can see this yellow dotted points. DNA and ribosomes are also present, okay. Now it's time for the function of the mitochondria. Its main function is to produce and store the energy in the form of ATP, okay. Its main function. So that's why these are called as powerhouse of the cell, and ATP is called as energy currency. Okay. So I hope so all of these are clear with to you all. And now it's time for the homework. Students, you all have to learn and write all these topics in your rough copy. Okay, students? After the completion of the chapter 1, there will be an online test for you all. So prepare all the topics related to the online classes of the chapter 1. Okay, students? So before ending the class, we have a quote for you all. Good things come for those who work. So if you're working hard on a chapter, you will get clear understanding of that. Once you put in your 100%, and we are here for you all. Okay, students? So with this, I end my class today. Enjoy your day. Keep on learning. Bye, students. Take care, all of you.